gonna get up and dance for you.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, back in the building with another lit video, man. For today, as you see by the title, we finna be doing a trolling people on Monkey Part 3. I see y'all love me doing these monkey videos, so I'm gonna continue to do them. If they blowing up, why stop, you feel me? But before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment other videos you want to see me do. Like the last video I did was asking people what they'd do if we was trapped inside a room. If y'all want a part 2 to that, comment down below and let me know. Load all my videos up, watch all of my videos, like if you haven't liked. I'm gonna keep saying like the video because y'all don't be liking the video. Like I be giving over 1,000 views, only 100 likes. Man, like the video, bro. If you go watch my video, like it, bro. And half of y'all not even subscribe. It's 60%, bro. Hit the subscribe button. What is y'all on? Y'all coming and watching my stuff? Are you a fan? Or you gonna be a supporter, bro? Subscribe. But yeah, we finna get right into this video, bro. Oh yeah, we almost at 3K subs. Send it to your friends and family. Give me that. Let's get lit, man. My finger hurt.
What'd you do?
It cut open. It's healing though.
Doesn't hurt?
It's healing though. Can you kiss it? How old are you?
17.
You my new girlfriend? I feel like you would take care of me.
Sure.
No, I'm just playing.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, you at work? You making that money, huh?
Yeah, I gotta be at work.
I'll take all your money though. You would spend all of it on me, cause I'm your new nigga.
Oh, am I? Oh,
Yeah.
just like that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright.
You down?
Okay.
You down?
I mean, I can't be the only one spoiling you, though.
I'll spoil you too.
Alright.
With this.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, you thick as hell.
What?
I said you cute as hell.
Oh.
Am I attractive? Or am I ugly?
Huh?
I'm attractive.
Yeah.
You be my girl?
Yeah.
No.
Goddamn people, I want to your mama for the house for you. Yo. TikTok. You don't talk. TikTok, y'all.
TikTok?
Asshole. TikTok. Yes, I post on fucking TikTok.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah!
What the fuck is that? Ah, what the fuck is that? No. Hey. You fine as hell.
Thank you.
Can I trap you?
Oh, Lord.
Huh?
Can I trap you?
What does that mean?
I'll come to you and trap you. Like, literally. You have my babies.
Okay.
But
Light skin.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Hey, him. My grandma's still in the bag. Look. Look. She got her teeth in. She don't got no teeth in, bro. No, she gonna get up and dance for you.
oh!
What's up?
You fine. I said you fine.
Oh.
What you thought I
Thank
said?
You fired or something? I was like, why am I fired?
Dumbass motherfucker.
How do you?
Nah, you just got the job.
What job?
You my new girl.
I can do that.
You down? What's your number?
951.
You for real? Alright, come on.
951.
Alright.
951.
Everybody on YouTube got your number now.
I don't fuck you lying.
I'm telling you, hit your line, shorty.
Oh my god, I seen you on TikTok.
I seen you too. You be hitting that
No. Bro, oh my god. That's crazy.
I don't
follow
even
you on
do TikTok.
too. Yes, you do, cause yes,
Okay.
Why is you lying? I be seeing all of my For You page. Now you lying for
What
real.
I be doing?
I don't fucking. You be making them TikTok. Okay, it don't matter. It don't matter. You so fine though. Like, oh hey babe. Like, oh my god. Like,
I'm not even all that.
I don't care. You're all that to me. To me.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell. Stop. Don't
I
do
am.
that.
You don't even know what videos I do.
Because I can't think right now. I just woke up.
So I'm finna sell now?
Stop it. Get some help.
Why you making that face? Why you get out the camera?
Try not to. I can't.
Want me? She want me. She want me.
Oops, she got scared.
Hey,
Hey, pretty girl. Yo. Oh, you off of Instagram?
Oh, you know me from Instagram?
Yeah, I follow you.
So you don't know me from TikTok? You know me from Instagram?
I know you from TikTok too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You famous, yeah. You can have me.
What we doing?
What you mean? He can have you. He want both of us.
psych a lot.
So I can have you? You don't want me to have her too?
She can have you too. We friends. We best friends.
So you want me too? You will have me too?
I mean, fuck it.
My nigga.
Facts.
So what we gonna do?
Oh no, what we gonna
Nothing
do?
at
That's
all.
up to you.
Leave it up to me. What? You say your pussy ass baby daddy be cool, girl. Stop getting on me. No. They was confused as hell first.
What the fuck?
And you on YouTube! You on YouTube! Your little fast ass nasty ass.
Nasty bitch.
No.
I follow you.
We do not care.
Better calm the fuck down before I come over there and slap the shit out of you.
Stay on. Please stay on. Please. No! Okay. Monkey know I like Chicago niggas, but they always want to like.
Wanna what?
They be doing that connecting thing. Like, what the fuck?
You trying to be my girl?
How old are you?
That's a yes or no.
Yeah, I'm trying to be your girl. We can have Chicago babies.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have.
Chicago, baby.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh my. Good. Like, I don't know. I like y'all accent. Y'all just got a nice.
I don't like yours. I'm really blue because they deleted some of my shit off.
Ooh, my.
Simon says go to the fucking wall.
Nigga, you ain't my daddy.
God. No cap.
Fuck.
I ain't say your daddy. I said Simon says.
You ain't Simon.
My name is Simon though.
No, it's not.
How you gonna tell me what the fuck my name is?
You lying.
Huh?
You lying.
Fuck you.
You mad?
What the fuck? You again? Why you scared me?
Cause I'm scared of you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You scared of me?
Yeah, I'm scared of you.
Why you scared of me?
Cause.
Get back in the camera. Have a little conversation real quick.
I'm scared of you.
How you scared of me?
Cause you too.
I do YouTube?
Too cute.
I do what?
Too cute.
What's good with y'all? Y'all just washed out her?
Huh?
Y'all just washed out her?
Yeah.
How y'all be doing that?
Washing our hair.
Yeah, how you do that?
You wet your hair.
And then you grab shampoo and then you scrub it into the
You rinse it out and you rinse it out and then you
conditioner.
and then you wash your body and then
All the conditioner in your hair.
And then you wash your body, wash conditioners in your hair, and then you rinse out your hair
And your
you rinse
body.
out your body.
Huh?
And then you
Can you tell me if I can sing? Can you tell me if I can sing?
Yeah.
You gotta turn that off. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Bad bitch, ass fat. Kevin so fat you gonna look for the back. Kevin look.
What the
No, you want me to go for real? Cause I get like this every time. All these days it feel like you and me.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
Heartbreak anniversary.
Oh Lord, you need help.
You can sing?
No. Huh?
You can sing?
No. Those are indexes. Do you though? Trust me, nigga is cool though.
You fine as hell.
That's it.
Can I get a kiss?
No way that I flow. I'm hot, niggas on the road. I'm catching vibe from some.
Just touch. What's your name?
My name's Mai. I know it's ugly, don't remind me. But
You will have my kids?
that's what they look like, my kids.
No, like would you have my kids? Like my babies?
How old are you?
I'm 19.
I'm 20.
I'm finna be 20 in October.
And I'm gonna be 21, bitch.
Here to tell you right now, we don't care.
I don't care. Oh, she was finna answer. My bad. Hi.
Hi.
Ah! You are gorgeous.
Psych a lot!
Oh, your shit right there. Hey,
Hey,
she got a question for you.
what's good?
So it's a y'all.
No.
Y'all gonna
Alright, gang, this the end of the video. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate y'all love and support, man, for real. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all like this video, comment down below. Y'all want a part 4. Also, comment down below other video ideas you want to see me doing. I'ma hit those. We almost at 3K subs, so yeah, subscribe, send it to your friends and family, and let's get lit. JAYYWAY gang, we out.